This is 1 bedroom flat, brand new POP ceiling. Prepaid meter. Screening has been finished. This is the visitor's toilet. The painting is ongoing. They are painting it. Standard house, very sharp, POP. This is the dining section. Kitchen unit upwards. Back door, tiled wall to wall. A steady light here. You can see prepaid is on. I'm in the room section now. Painting is ongoing in the room section. 2 windows, wardrobe. Sorry, 3 windows in the room. Toilet in the room. Water heater. Very spacious toilet. Water heater. Close to the tarred road at NTA Road. Very fine house. Basic rent is 500k. Very few flats in the compound. Prepaid meter again. 1 bedroom.